Next time, make chicken this way. Let's start this recipe by opening 2 chicken breasts in the middle. This way I'm doing it. I'll season each of them with salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. You will be amazed at the result. I will also use a little paprika, the amount is to taste. Oregano to your taste. It is impossible to eat only one piece. Finally, let's put some olive oil in each chicken and spread well. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to El Wagurita. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I have no doubt that you will enter into your routine, just as you have already entered mine. Now I'll cut some mozzarella cheese into slices, the amount is to taste. Let's put the cheese we cut inside each chicken breast. In this way. Next, I will cut a tomato in half and then in slices. I'm sure even your friends will like it. Let's put the chopped tomatoes on top of the cheese. After I learned to do it like this, I could never eat chicken otherwise. I'm gonna close every chicken breast. Now with the help of a knife, let's make some cuts on top of each of them. This is how they need to stay. On a baking sheet, I will put some olive oil and spread with the help of a brush. Let's transfer the stuffed chicken into it. I'll season it with salt to taste. I doubt you've ever prepared such a recipe. Paprika to your taste. When I do it at home, there's never anything left. Finally, I will put some olive oil and spread with the help of a kitchen brush. We will take our recipe to the oven at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. A great option to do on days that you do not have much time to cook. Using a few ingredients present in everyday life, we can make a much tastier meal than those sold in restaurants and conventional markets. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.